Yini lento leyenza ukuthi nikwate kangaka bafethu? Did I say anything wrong to MacG? No. I just said I'm coming for you. Or maybe we did not understand each other. I said, MacG, I'm coming for you, my brother. I did not say I'm coming to fight with you. I did not say I'm coming to do bad things to you. People did not wait to hear what is it about. Oh my boy, you came in South Africa to look for greener pastures, because they are all looking for greener pastures in South Africa, and as South Africans we don't see that. We are here to look for greener pastures, and now you are going back home with your chest facing the sky, 3 feet, 2 feet. Grave, my brother. And this guy, Mozambican, they are famous on digging like little nyana grave and bury a person there after they kill them. I don't know why they are doing that. I want my brother. Mama Grasa, she was nowhere to be found. Mandela is our mother. Winnie Mandela, she is our mother, that one. Not you, mama. When you are the Mozambican's mother, be satisfied with that. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is a podcast where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Apa is your host with the most. Thank you very much bafethu, njengenjwayelo sisabonga namhlanje, sisabonga ama-subscription, siyabona niyangena niyakhomenta bafethu, niyawabukela ama-video wethu. No doubt about that. I appreciate that bafethu. Namhlanje bafethu ngifuna ukuqala nje ngigibele phezu kwayo esasuka nje, yabo. Chillers from Podcast and Chill. Hayi bafethu, you're just swearing at me, you're just coming for me. I don't know for what, Buffett. I don't know. I don't understand. Simply because of saying, go MacG, I'm coming for you. People are swearing at me at the comment zone there. People are angry. People are furious. Chillers. I'm talking about chillers. They are not chilled. Hi, corner, MacG. Chillers, maybe 20% of chillers, 15% are not chilled, bafethu. Why? Yini lento leyenza ukuthi nikwate kangaka bafethu? Did I say anything wrong to MacG? No. I just said I'm coming for you. Or maybe we did not understand each other. I said, MacG, I'm coming for you, my brother. I did not say I'm coming to fight with you. I did not say I'm coming to do bad things to you. People did not wait to hear what is it about. They just swear at me. You know, those people, they remind me of this issue of Chub Chub. You know, when I was reprimanding him, you know, people were swearing at me there, saying I'm jealous, I'm chasing clouds, vad. We're talking all lot of things, you know, bad things. Wabo, chigi, chup magafahlawa. No, bapalama chup bamrwaka. Some they even say they never liked Chub Chub. I said, those people are very same people who were swearing at me, telling me I hate Uchub Chub, only to find it's them who are hating Uchub Chub. So I suspect chillers, those who are swearing at me, they don't like Umekchi. They are not real chillers. They are fake chillers, angry chillers. Maybe if they are real, they are angry chillers. And that is bad for business. That is bad for life. Mekchi. Why mfethu bangithuka? And some of them were going on about my English. The way that I spoke. I was saying this during the week. Guys, I'm still saying it today again. I was talking about that during the week. I was talking about that during the week. I was just being specific here. Let's ngibeke ngesizulu. Kule viki leli. Now, people babulawa assume. People are assuming too much. Stop assuming, guys. Stop listening to answer instead of listening to understand. So that when you answer what you understood. You answer what you understood. So, but ngesotho bare harabeke yena. I was being specific, bafethu. Harabeke yena. This during the week. Once again, I was not mistaken there. This during the week. People who were laughing at me. Look, assumptions. Do bulaya kaure. I can say I will see you during the week, whereas it's Sunday or Saturday, right? I will say to you, no, I will see you during the week. If I didn't come that during the week, you're gonna say, hey, when are you lied to me? I was not talking about that week. But I was talking about during the week. Even next month, there is during the week. Next week, there is during the week. Next year, there is during the week. So now I was being specific with uppercuts. No, chillers were on top of me. Those kind of people happen, Mechi. When we were at school, when the teacher is asking questions, right? Some of us, like me, I will be the first to say, only to find I'm wrong when I answer. My answer is wrong. No, they will be quick to laugh at us. You see those kind of people, they are cruel. To the people that are smart, to the people that are driven, to the people that are not scared to make mistakes. As long as there is respect inside, there is peace inside. So bona batsheya, ba letlela bana ba bang, belittling other children, whereas they don't know nothing bona. People are fumbling English all over here. We have Nigerians, we have Somalians, right? Even their pronunciation, Nigerians, my brother, it's not good. But no, it's good English. When it's South African who make mistake or didn't even make mistake, just maybe pronunciation, wow, it's bad. No, they are going to laugh at you. Those chillers are not good, Mechi. That 20% inyana maybe, they are not real chillers. They are fake chillers. So talk to them, Mechi. There is more reason for them to come and listen Uppercut Podcast so that they can be emotional intelligent. Angazi noma uyangithola na. Ngiyaxolisa bafethu for the background sound. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu kusekasi la. Mechi, please talk to them once again, my brother. To say, bafethu, chillane. Be real chillers, be smart. I hope it's more reason again, Mechi, to say, bafethu, chillers must listen to Uppercut Podcast. you know. And in every podcast, because there are many big and successful podcasts out there, you know, some of them, those people must come to this podcast as well and subscribe
and get their medicine.
They must be emotional intelligent. So as you listen to me, Buffett, to people that were listening to me from when I start, you know, they I think by now they know how I think. You know, they know how I think. So I'm educating people about in another way. In another way. So you must be open-minded. But you must always be open-minded. Pasoptos. Nyabonga ngalezo bafethu once again. Khona indaba engifuna ukugibela phezu kwayo futhi la bafethu. Hey. Graça Machel. Mama. No. I don't like your attitude. I don't like your thinking. You know, let me start by saying, few years ago, there was an incident at Tembisa, Israel. I'm not sure if it's Tembisa or Togoza, somewhere in Israel there. There was this Mozambican boy who was selling cigarettes there by the corner. And here comes two South African boys and step him to death, trying to take cigarette mahala there and stuff, you know. So when he react, they stepped him to death. But no, that was a crime. That was a pure crime. We are not sugarcoating it. We did not condone it. But right, Mama Graça came on TV, national TV, crying like literally, and saying, "Oh my boy, you came in South Africa to look for greener pastures," because they are all looking for greener pastures in South Africa, and as South Africans we don't see that. We are here to look for greener pastures, and now you are going back home with your chest facing the sky. As we cried and say, "Oh mama lo yazokhala njengomama." But few weeks to come after that incident, there was another incident in Vlakfontein. There is a place called Vlakfontein. About 5 people, the whole family. Ben Nebapatue were buried, my brother, in their house. About who did that? Who killed them? Mozambican guy.
Yes.
Mama did not appear anywhere on TV on social media. But the following week, another Vlakfontein, there is another Vlakfontein near the Ratong Hospital in Roodepoort. But another incident, 2 children under 10 were killed by a Mozambican guy for 30,000 that she gave their mother. Not these kids, their mother. They were involved via Ola Otando. So this guy gave this lady 30,000. All right, this lady doesn't want to give this 30,000 back to that guy. And this guy now, who paid for that? The kids were dead and buried into the maybe 3 feet, 2 feet grave, my brother. And this guy, Mozambican, they are famous on digging like little Nyana grave and bury a person there after they kill them. I don't know why they are doing that. I want my brother. Mama Graça, she was nowhere to be found again. She didn't hear about that, but it was all over social media. That thing was all over, my brother. It was trending. Mama Graça never appeared anyway to condemn that or maybe to praise them because they are Mozambican. She is Mozambican, right? Yeah, but she did not. Why she is so biased? Why she's so biased? After that, she called us South African citizens her children because of Mandela. Come on, you are lost mother. Your children are in Mozambique. You appear now to say, I'm claiming it now. I never claimed to be a South African. Now you are claiming it. I heard you somewhere. Oh boy. No, you are South African. We don't care about that. But that doesn't make your people in Mozambique kill people in South Africa. No. And bury them in their small graves. No, mama. It doesn't mean like that. When maybe proud to call Mandela. I can't. Mandela was also a citizen in this country, man. For argument's sake. You know, Mandela was also a citizen in South Africa. He was not only in South Africa. But Mandela was at your house before he was arrested. He was hiding at your house. And your husband was not there. Was a fugitive again from the Portuguese. You know? What were you doing with Mandela that time? What were you doing? We don't know. Don't answer that. I'm not asking for to be answered. No. But what were you doing with Mandela? Chigi after prison, quickly, you are getting married. Chigi, did you date with Mandela? When? Chigi sele Mandela sat divorce Winnie. And Winnie Mandela is our mother. Winnie Mandela. She is our mother, that one. Not you, mama. When you are the Mozambican's mother. Be satisfied with that. Don't be greedy. And come to kill South African citizens. After that, you call us your children. But bad things are happening. You don't say anything. Much and much is said, guys, with peace. Undocumented. Go home and fix your papers. You can come back if you want. No, we are wrong. We are xenophobic. My children in South Africa are fighting. As South Africans, we are not fighting. Yeah. Maybe yet. We are not fighting in South Africa. But we know Mama Winnie Mandela as our mother. But we know that. Ungasitshele logo, mama. Please. Ungasitshele logo. We respect you as a mother. You know? We respect you as a mother. But if you have that motherly love to your children, I hope you'll understand what I'm saying. Our children are dying here, mama. No one is responsible for that. And we have invisible people. We have undocumented people in the country. It has been proven that drugs coming from your countries, guys. We have our issues here in South Africa. Don't tell us that. We have our issues. There is no country that doesn't have criminals. Even South Africa. I was a criminal in this country. I'm a South African. I was a criminal. So don't come Bafwe to let's encourage. Oh, now we are hating people. Please, mama. Please, mama. We are not your children. We are Winnie Mandela's children as South Africans. Thank you very much on that one. Hey, Bafwe, today is busy, man. We have, maybe you're gonna hear sounds, you know. It's busy, Bafwe, too. And we can't do anything about it sometimes because yeah. And my brother, I wanted to talk about Basotho. Yeah, the Basotho nation, beautiful nation. You know, my brother, my mother was a Sotho.
Yes.
Yeah, my father is a Pedi. Yeah, so it's a masonto. Ke batla bua le Basotho ka Sotho ba nkutlwe mfethu. Wa bona, hobane ntwe ya match and match e mpontshitse ntho e nngwe ya hore ho na le Basotho ba bangata ba sa itsebeng wa bona ba Lesotho wa bona ke bona ona le pherekano moo batho ba bua ntho tse ngata mono ka Basotho le ka Lesotho wa bona jwale ke batla ho fana ka kelello ya ka Bafethu hore nna ke nahana jwang ka Lesotho le Basotho wa bona jwale ke tlo e qala Moshweshwe wa bona ke tlo e qala moo Moshweshwe ha na tla ya Lesotho ha ya ka o rata moo it was not his choice ha ya ka o rata moo o sutumeditswe ke maburu ho tloha vale mo ba mo sutumetsa maburu a lwana le batho ba hae ba ne ba le teng ba lwana le yena ba tjhetjha ba re tloha mo maburu a batla ho haha ba batla ho ipha bo Fourrysburg wa bona bo Fourrys ba batla ho ipha bo Bethlehem ke mabitso a maburu kaofela a Lady Brand ho ya kwa ke mabitso a maburu kaofela Harrismith wa bona ne ba batla ho ipha jwale ba mo sutumetsa yena ba bona hore ba tlo jala da hona le dipolasi ka moo wa bona ho fihlela ba mo kenya kae dithabeng ba bona maburu ga mona na hona ntho a tla etsa ene dithabeng hape ba fumana mono jwale ke masalwana ka thuso ya batho ba hae le dingaka le baloi ba hae ba ne ba tsamalena wa bona ba bang ba baloi ba thusitse Moshweshwe ba tloha Natala hobane Shaka le yena o nana le ditogi tsa hae tsa hore hona le batho ba bolayang be leng ba hae ba bang ba baleya ka moo ba tla ka Moshweshwe ka ho bontsha hore Moshweshwe o na itseba hore yena ke mang ha ba tebela fela ba thusa Moshweshwe ho lwana ba hodisa Thaba Bosiu maburu a e bona ile kgolo bosiu motshehare right bosiu ba e bona ile hore e ne le boloi kaofela ba Moshweshwe le ngaka tsa hae le batho ba hae e leng Basotho maburu itse ba mmotsa hore Moshweshwe wena o mang le bo mang lona Moshweshwe ha ka identify yena una understand hore ha ba botse yena ke mang o botsa bona ke bo mang hobane ona ba bona ke ba basweu Moshweshwe a rona re Basotho ke batla o make lentswe le rona re Basotho re brown ntho Sotho ka Sotho ke brown Moshweshwe a rona re Basotho ke ka ho ka sheko hona le Basotho ka sheko ha e se bitso yona hantle e na le di o tse pedi ke BASOO fela ha e se bitswa le ha e se ngolwa ka sheko ho so tlohile OI1 ka pela S se le Basotho wa bona jwale Lesotho Lesotho ke South Africa ha ke tsebe ke mang a le jetsitseng gore Lesotho ha se South Africa a se ka tloga tawela yo a tshwangwa a se ka ba le ka tloga tawela Lesotho ha e sa le ntse le South Africa wa bona ha o hlaka ka mokgohlong entabeni zokhahlamba bafowethu Natala wa e bona ke yemo lewatle wa le bona ba tseba Basotho ha o ya ka kwana na o wela ka Cape ha hona mo Lesotho ka welang lewatleng la bona kapa naheng e nngwe everybody a Cape in Lesotho e wela South Africa why is that shebang mepe o shebe map ene ha hona there is no way la ke nahana ha hona ka mokgo ka ntjetsang go Basotho ha se South Africa ha se ma South African ke be sa tsebo bua ka re ka argue le tsaya ka ofela I bona and then ntho nngwe hape ba fetwa Soweto the biggest township in South Africa e entswe ke Basotho e re ke re majority ke Basotho dipleke tse mo e re go bitsetse tsona Naledi Mapetla Molapo Phiri Sinawana Tladi Moletsane dingata bo Pimville a ke sa batla go bua ka Bokatleho ka Israel ke bua fela ka Soweto o tlo bone dominance ya Basotho mo so there is no way let's get la go shapisa ka bontate Frere bontate Apollo Ntabanyane batho ba qadileng Soweto le bo Mandela wa bona jale ke a utlwana le di post mona social media ntse di hlae Basotho this even le Basotho le bona ba ikgetholla problem ya ka ke ntho ne ke batla go la khalemela ka yona Basotho ke yona e tloelang lona o le ikgetholla ha o tle motho a poto lona tloela mo ikgetholla tlamele lona le support match le rona le ma South Africa ke tlamele re support match le tloela tatazela go he Lesotho wa hona jwale o ile a tshwele Ramaphosa nemo e seng Ramaphosa but government hore batho ba Lesotho ba tsamaye ba nke di ID hore mo border gating ba khona ho feta ka ID not passport it has been said somewhere wa bona ke tla e batla be ke thole my brother it has been said wa bona so ha ba etse jwalo why ke ho ikgetholla le ka kelellong ha ba inkile ma South Africa Lesotho ke South Africa my brother you can't tell me hore Basotho ke matswantle ba sena border e nngwe it's like ka rajagte ya hao o bo fihla o hloma mkhukhu o tlo mamela melao ya o kae mo ya Jarata pele o etsa birthday wena o lo bua ka tlung a ke ke ntho e jwang wa tla Lesotho le South Africa so there is no way o ka re Mosotho a se mo South Africa fela he naha le naha ena le ditsotsi ke a kopa Basotho tloang botsotsing ke a kopa mo he ke ikopela ha ona naha e senang botsotsi ha ona mofuta wa batho e seng ditsotsi o moshangano Mosotho Mozolo Movenda o Mondebele Moswati o dina le ditsotsi tsa teng wa bona my brother dina le ditsotsi tsa teng ntho tla meleng e tsuwe fela hona jwale if I was a president wa bona ne ke nka parliament ya Lesotho ke kwalla tronko parliament ya Lesotho hobane ke bana ba busy da ha ba qete taba ya bona phayaka Basotho ba hlopheya ka da mara taba ya bona ha e fele parlamenteng ba discuss ntho e one molebe the whole day until usa the whole day ke landate o jwetsitse re khomo tseno ha di a kena ka mo modula stool taba eno e hlalositswe ka di fetene hore ke mme mamusupa tse hela ha di eme di botse mo ntate ha di eme di ho phisana ka taba ena jwale ke Basotho ba bua Sotho parlamenteng mara Basotho ba sotleha o understand my brother Basotho ba sotleha hona le dikasi tse o thweng ke bo hleuweng wa bona e ka re le government ha e tsebe ka tsona ha e tsebe ke kasi mara ke diphatshisi fela ona ditse ke diphatshisi tse batho ba iketseditseng tsona
walking tails
government e kae mo ya ba hlola hobane ke ditsotsi antho ya ba hlola ke ditsotsi ba re robisa ka bonkgono Mantsopa mfowethu bonkgono Mantsopa ba no e rata ntho she was a prophet by the way Mantsopa. Maybe you are lost.
Completely lost.
Yeah, she was a prophet. Ke nkgono wa Basotho.
Yes.
Yeah, many things that she prophesy about, they are happening
Yes,
today.
yes.
Yeah, they are happening today. One choice.
Yes.
So Basotho ha ba tlohele ho ikgetholla bona wa bona
Yes.
na ke mme wa ka ke Mosotho, that is why ke re ke nyantse Sesotho wa bona, ke hodisitswe ke Basotho wa bona, ka hodiswa le ke banna baholo ba Basotho wa bona, not lebollong thabeng a ke a ya moo, mara ke hodisitswe ke banna baholo le bonkgono ba Basotho hobane ke le ka dula Bakaneng, na le pleke ba re ke Bakaneng Lesotho. First time I qala ho kena sekolo in my life,
It was that.
it was there in Lesotho. Wa bona,
Yes.
but nna he I'm a Sowetan by birth.
Okay.
Yeah, ka ba ka holela teng, I'm a Sowetan. Yeah, so another plague, Sihlangu sa Mnekate Eswatini,
Yes.
lo yena nka o kwalla toronkong, batho ba sotleha ka da matrata. Yeah, people are suffering, but that king is getting married every year. O etsahalang ka di-king tsa rona? O etsahalang ka bona? O tsamaya ka di-convoy, o tlhaba dikgomo hore batho ba tlo ja. Stop giving me food. Give me something to make food for myself.
Exactly.
Ska ntshwarela fish we. Mfe hook fish. Re hloka ntho eo bafethu as batho, as people from our government. But bona they are slaughtering cows there, calling people, hey, come, the king is birthday. The king is getting married. He wants to take the 27th wife. 27th wife. Come on, guys.
I think it's just a way of keeping the people dependent on them.
You see?
Yes.
You see? That is why I'm saying these two countries, Swaziland and Lesotho. And another thing, my brother, Lesotho does not have a name. Think about this. Botswana. Letswana. Does it sound good?
No.
No. Lesotho. Mosotho. Lesotho. Does it sound well?
Not really.
No. But batho ba itlwaetse jwalo today. Because they struggled hore bona ba tla ipitsa ko kae mo. But Basotho ka Sesotho, that's why ba re ke ka hare ho naha. Ka hare ho naha.
Yes.
Naha efe? South Africa.
South Africa, yeah.
Ka hare ho naha. Le yona wa bona the way you think ka teng ke ka hare ho naha. That's only the name that it sound good. Because it's South Africa, man. It's South Africa. What white people at that time did not know. They didn't know that Moshoeshoe is sitting in those on top of those mountains or in those mountains with water. Yeah, that is supplying the whole country. South Africa, the whole country. Main source of water there.
That's what.
Yes. I want my brother. Yes. So, Moshoeshoe, by saying bona ke Basotho, as I said, he was not saying him. He was saying us as brown people. Because we are not black.
Yes.
Moshoeshoe knew that. He said we are proud. And then the poor say, okay, le Basotho. It's a Megan Moshoeshoe. Moshoeshoe was explaining even those who are not there.
Yes.
Because there's Mapedi. Mapedi means ke Sesotho sa bobedi. Ke Basotho ba bobedi. Queen Mojaji. Sinesa Pula. He was a rain queen. wa nthola my brother
Yes.
ebile ke a suspecta nka re ba kile ba tshola before ho lwaniwa le Mshweshwe ke a suspecta why o thwe ke Sepedi ke Basotho ke Northern Sotho whereas sa Lesotho ba re ke Southern Sotho.
They are related somehow.
Somehow they are related. So before the fight, Mshweshwe was trolling there. I said, but that one ke nahana fela ya ke inahanela fela ka bohlanya baka wa nthola me yeah but ke Basotho le bona ba pedi
Yes.
wa bona ke Basotho ka lebaka la Queen Mojadji le Mshweshwe ke a nahana. So Lesotho ke another country of South Africa.
Yes.
Just fela maburu a iketsetsa mathanda ntle seo, everybody knows. No argument about that.
Yes.
As I said, Mshweshwe ha ikgethela ho ya la.
He was fleeing.
Yeah. So government ya kada influence batho via corruption. Basotho wa bona ba bang ya ba jesanyana e qeta re he lwanelang Free State ke pleke ya lona ha sebetse jwalo Basotho. Free State ha se pleke ya lona. South Africa ke pleke ya lona e seng Free State. Bona ba batla mejo ha ile hantle ntle tlamele o kwallwe bona ba etronko o tsamawe fela ka mo e be another province ka mo.
Yes.
That's how it should be. Basotho ba yeso please ha tlo le mo ikgetholla wa nthola magana. Yeah, that is why I was saying Lesotho does not have a name as a country. It does have a name as a province of South Africa.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Wa nthola magana. Yeah, so ba fethu ke nana re ke tla fella he they had
Yeah, let's have a vote, please.
right. Yeah, ba utlwile Basotho so o sa utlwisisi kapo a utlwang bohloko ke nna a tlo mpotsa o ya pele because la tseba le lona ka pela di camera re controlla ke nako re controlla ke di light re supporteng Basotho click subscribe and le tlo gona utlwa ya pele le botse dipotso ke le arabe le tshake le lona re tlo bua ke le jetse ka re month end ke bitsa batho ke invite batho wa bo e tlo le wena ka bo re bitsetse plekeng ya hao ha ona le dijo ska re bitsa tsa ka tlala. Thank you very much bafethu siyabonga namhlanje bafethu sithi enjoyane happy Sunday. Thank you very much.